those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Luigi from Mario Brothers. Okay, so Luigi, he's a little bit a skinnier friend. Okay, so we're gonna start with a circle for the big Luigi nose. Then we're gonna make big eye. Then we're gonna make a little arch in the middle and a little circle in the middle of that. There we go. And a little circle. We'll fill that in, leaving a little bit of white. There we go. Okay, then we've got one eyebrow, two eyebrows. We have a mustachio that's gonna come back, down, wiggle around, come back up, down, wiggle around, up, and then come back over. Much bigger than Mario's, he's thicker. Yeah. Then we're gonna draw a line down and across for his little teeth. And we're gonna draw a line down for his mouth. Double line there. And we're gonna draw a line around like that, oval. This guy's skinnier. This is the skinny, I think they're brothers. This guy's the skinnier brother. He must take after from his father's side or something, I don't know. Just a guess. All right, and then we got another ear here. Go. We got a line coming across for the hat, like so, and a line coming around for the hat. And this guy has an L on his hat. L for Luigi. Okay, then he's got a little neck showing. And he's got a line coming across his neck with a rectangle underneath. Dot, dot. Line coming up and across, up and across. And then he's got his arm coming down. Arm coming down. Glove. Thumb. 1, 2, 3. Then we've got the other arm coming down. Coming back up. Glove. Thumb. 1, 2, 3 fingers for Luigi. All right. Luigi's got kind of a belly too, just like Mario. Gonna make an upside down V. Come around for the pants. Back up to the belly. Circle for the bottom. Back up to the belly. Line. Coming back out. His shoes are a little flatter than Mario's. Mario's are bubblier. His are more flat. Down. Back out. Around. There we go. And there, my friends, is Luigi. Do, do, do. Oh, never mind, I won't sing for you. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching.